Every summer, certain dresses seem to appear everywhere. Not because they're designer, not because they're expensive, and not because they're covered in logos. Yet somehow they always look elevated. You see them on vacation, at brunch, walking through the city, at dinner by the beach, and then they have something in common. The women wearing them don't look overdressed. They don't look like they're trying too hard. They just look effortlessly put together. So what makes a summer dress look expensive? It has much less to do with price than most people think. Why some dresses look cheap? One of the biggest misconceptions in fashion is that expensive style comes from spending more money. But if you've ever walked into a luxury store, you've probably noticed something interesting. The clothes are often surprisingly simple. Simple shapes, simple colors, simple silhouettes, because luxury tends to rely on design rather than decoration. Meanwhile, many inexpensive-looking dresses try to do everything at once. Ruffles, cutouts, multiple prints, extra details. The eye doesn't know where to look. The dress ends up wearing you, instead of you wearing the dress. The dress trend taking over summer. The dresses dominating this summer have a completely different energy. They're relaxed, clean, easy. Instead of squeezing into something uncomfortable, women are gravitating toward dresses that move with the body. The goal is no longer, look at my dress. The goal is, look how effortless this looks. And that shift says a lot about where fashion is heading. After years of highly curated social media aesthetics, many people are moving toward clothes that feel more natural. Less performance, more ease. Linen dresses. If there is one dress that always returns every summer, it's the linen dress. And there is a reason for that. Linen has texture, movement, softness. It doesn't cling to the body, it skims over it, which creates that relaxed elegance people are constantly trying to achieve. A white linen midi dress, an olive linen dress, a soft beige linen dress. None of them need much styling, they're already doing the work. Another thing expensive-looking dresses tend to have in common? The color palette. This summer we're seeing butter yellow, soft blue, cream, white, olive, chocolate brown. Colors that feel calm rather than loud. Because when a color feels effortless, the entire outfit usually feels more expensive. But fabric and color are only part of the story. Because two women can wear the exact same dress, and one outfit will instantly look more elevated. Why? Because expensive style is often about shape, not price. The silhouettes everyone is wearing. This summer, the dresses that feel the most current aren't necessarily the tightest or the most revealing. They're the dresses that create beautiful proportions. Think flowing midi dresses, halter neck dresses, drop waist dresses, structured poplin dresses, long column silhouettes. These shapes create movement, and movement is one of the things that makes an outfit feel luxurious. Because when fabric flows naturally, the entire look feels effortless, which is exactly what people are drawn to right now. Why tight doesn't always look expensive. For years, social media pushed the idea that the more fitted something was, the better it looked. But fashion has slowly moved away from that. People are becoming more interested in ease, comfort, confidence. And dresses that allow you to move freely often feel more sophisticated than dresses that require constant adjusting. Because confidence is visible. When you're comfortable in what you're wearing, it changes how you walk, how you stand, how you carry yourself. And people notice that before they notice the label. The halter dress effect. One style that's everywhere right now is the halter dress. And I think there's a reason it keeps coming back. It creates shape without needing lots of details. The neckline does all the work. The result feels elegant, clean, timeless. Whether it's a simple black halter dress, a satin version for evening, or a relaxed linen version during the day. It always feels intentional. The dresses people keep saving. Something interesting happens every summer. Certain dresses get saved over and over again on Pinterest. Not because they're dramatic, because people can actually imagine wearing them. That's a huge difference. The most aspirational dress isn't necessarily the most useful dress, and I think shoppers are becoming more aware of that. Instead of asking, does this look good in a photo? People are starting to ask, would I actually wear this? And that's why dresses like linen middies, white cotton dresses, striped shirt dresses, simple black maxis keep outperforming trendier alternatives. Because they fit into real life. The fit changes everything. This might be the most overlooked detail. A beautiful dress in the wrong fit will never look as good as a simple dress that fits perfectly. The strap length, the waist placement, the hem length, the neckline, small details make a huge difference. That's why a simple dress that fits properly often looks far more expensive than a designer dress that doesn't. A dress should work for you, not the other way around. The biggest shifts happening right now is that luxury is becoming quieter. People still want beautiful clothes, but they're becoming less interested in clothes that scream for attention and more interested in clothes that make them feel good. The dress doesn't need to be the loudest thing in the room. It just needs to make you feel like the best version of yourself. A beautiful dress can do a lot, but what separates a nice dress from an expensive-looking outfit is usually the styling. And the interesting thing is that most women focus on the dress first, when they should be paying attention to the finishing touches. The accessory rule. One of the fastest ways to make a summer dress look expensive is to keep the accessories simple, not boring. Simple. Because when everything is competing for attention, the outfit starts to feel chaotic. Think about the women whose style always looks elevated. They're rarely wearing statement earrings, statement necklaces, statement shoes, statement bags all at the same time. Usually one piece gets to be the star. The rest quietly supports it. A woven bag, a pair of gold earrings, a beautiful sandal, a sleek pair of sunglasses. That's often enough. The sunglasses effect. There are certain accessories that instantly make an outfit feel more polished, and sunglasses are probably one of the biggest ones because they add structure. Even the simplest dress can suddenly feel intentional with the right pair of sunglasses. That's why you'll often see fashion editors wearing a simple dress, flat sandals, a clean handbag, sunglasses. The outfit isn't complicated. It's just complete. The mistake that makes dresses look cheaper. One of the biggest styling mistakes is overcomplicating the outfit. Adding more doesn't always make something better. Sometimes it does the opposite. Too many accessories, too many trends, too many focal points. The dress gets lost, and instead of looking elevated, the outfit starts feeling busy. The most expensive-looking outfits usually look easy, even when a lot of thought went into them. If the dress is worth buying today, these are the dresses I'd keep coming back to. A linen midi dress, a white cotton dress, a black maxi dress, a halter dress, a striped shirt dress, and a simple slip dress for evenings. Not because they're trendy, because they're wearable. You'll wear them on holiday, to dinner, to brunch, to work, to walk around the city. And that's what makes them valuable. The best dresses aren't the ones that get the most compliments. The best dresses are the ones you keep reaching for. Why these dresses keep coming back? Every summer new trends appear. New colors, new prints, new silhouettes. Yet somehow certain dresses return every single year because they solve a problem. They make getting dressed easy. And people are craving ease right now, especially after years of social media encouraging us to constantly reinvent ourselves. Many women are moving toward wardrobes that feel calmer, more practical, more personal, and these dresses fit perfectly into that shift. The dresses that look expensive this summer aren't necessarily the most expensive dresses. They're the dresses that fit beautifully, move beautifully, and make the woman wearing them feel comfortable and confident. Because style has never really been about the dress itself. It's about how you feel when you wear it. And the dresses that make you feel relaxed, confident, and like yourself are usually the ones you'll keep wearing long after the trend cycle moves on. I'm curious, which summer dress do you wear the most? A linen dress, a maxi dress, a shirt dress, or something completely different? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.